actually happy to finally race a subscriber. Let's get it! So you guys saw in the recent clip, I was trying out the launch control with my 5th gen ZL1. Hopefully we don't have the same luck. Oh, look who it is. What is up, sir? So this guy has G82 M4 comp X-Drive. If you actually do rear wheel drive, I'll run you then.
Okay.
All right.
You have 150 horsepower more than me.
Yeah, but you're DCT.
It's this Steptronic.
Oh my God. Automatic. What's up, bro? Let's do a quick tour of some of the cars that are here. We have Rice's Model S Plaid. You actually might not be allowed because you're too fast. How do you feel?
I'm not buying the ticket yet.
My boy Felipe's 718 Cayman GT4. Fun fact, he's not running it today. If I can get 40 yeses, will you go? My audience wants to see that, bro. You want him to run his Cayman?
Absolutely.
Okay, 1.
Yes. Yeah, you got my vote.
Yeah, bro. Yes, yes. That is already 5 competent adult men making decisions. You
I will not be responsible for anybody's...
Just say yes or no, bro.
No.
Okay, Debo, bro. Now he speaks from experience, so we have Gilbert's face. Hey, stop playing with my dingling, bro.
Yeah, we can do that doing shit in Osport. I'll run you.
No, bro! 32, 30, 29, 27. I need to know exactly what you have done to this. Last time you were like saying, oh, I don't have a tune, but you had a tune and it was making dings.
It's not a Mickey tuner. I have an XHP transmission from out in Figs.
But are you tuned?
Transmission tune.
Okay, so faster shift. But it doesn't matter because he's doing rear wheel drive because he's gonna spin.
Yeah, you guys look like you're posing for a band photo.
This is a new watch that I've acquired by force. Made by Bellissimo watches.
It's a Belgos, bro.
It's a Belgos.
In French, Belgos. It's a beautiful go.
Very nice, actually. It feels good, looks good. Good weight to it too, that's important. You know, you don't want a cheapy feel watch. I'm literally typing in word like verbatim.
Just put like
Oh! Do it. You see? You see? What else are we gonna do while we wait, man? Honestly. My car, when I really beat on it, the maximum it has seen, and not on track related stuff, has been 220. What's the hottest that you've ever seen your Camaro, Corvette, 6th gen, 5th gen, C7, C6? Oh. You slow? I'm waiting for my voice. Oh, okay. I don't think he heard me right.
Have fun.
You thank you. You all right, bro.
You want the prep side?
Yeah, I'm gonna need it, bro. I'm gonna spin, bro. These tires are they're not good.
They're Nittos.
They're the G2s though, they're track tires. They're not good for like...
You're not gonna run him?
No, take him. Beat him. No, I'm kidding, don't beat him. It's a Mustang, guys. I gotta represent the Americas, you know? All right, so we're gonna do this race using the launch control setting, which is basically double tapping this. We're gonna try putting it on track mode. Now, we're gonna try it first with the launch control setting, and then afterwards, for my next race, if I feel a little bit confident, I'm gonna try doing it manually.
Explain. Why do you explain if you're gonna lose?
Hey, oh, hey! I think I let it off just a little bit too fast.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, wow.
That is so bad, bro. Holy sh**.
But what the hell?
I think we gotta go again.
All right, let's go again. Oh, Felipe's gonna run it.
Oh, he's gonna run it?
Yo, what did Bryce get?
647.
6'4". Oh, wow.
647 on the left-hand side.
Connecting.
Your glorious leader is saying hello.
All right, guys, so for the next race, I'm gonna try now doing it myself, traction control off, and then I'm gonna have it on tour mode.
You stalled. You can make as much fun of him as you want. He doesn't know how to do a burnout in second gear. I don't have that problem. I'm automatic. So.
Oh, I didn't have traction control. Oh my God.
Garage there.
I was in X-Drive.
I knew it! As you saw, I stalled doing the burnout. But when I stalled and turned it on, I forgot to turn it off. And you guys could see for a quick moment, the car was like, no, 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 no. Oh, okay, we'll go again. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Bro, you ruined it, bro. Remember the brake video?
Oh,
You
shit, I just
ruined your
warped
car.
the supercharger.
You warped your supercharger, man.
That's crazy. Chat, we did it. We didn't need 40 people to say yes.
Where's your pants, bro? Bro, where's your...
All right, so are we doing another one?
Yeah, I'm done. Who wants to run me, bro? I'm
Get out of here,
invincible
bro.
in-
I'm gonna get a run with
Felipe. They're actually putting down the cars right now. They're racing for pace right now. Mickey and being tuned, downpipe.
I'm never gonna live that down.
If you don't get a 7 flat, this car's mine.
Huh?
And launch control.
The moment we've been waiting for. And an 8.3. Felipe finished at 90 miles per hour and our boy Sebas finished at 96. But that GT4 though, oh my God. Michael, that shit sounds so good, dude. Good, good, good. What's up, bro? What did you do? What's your times? You know it's not good if he crumbles it up like that, bro.
Yeah, you know damn well that shit.
10!
What do you do?
Ah! Broke it at 10! Nah, bro, you can't
No, but that's because I was racing with my boy and I let him get the jump.
Nah, nah, nah. You
I try to be the nice guy, bro. You know what?
Don't be the, never be the nice guy.
don't be the
Always, oh, hey, you're here to win. You're not here to be the nice guy. This is not charity.
Damn right. It's not charity.
No, you're not charity, bro. You have an accurate. Is that the Type R or the Type S?
Don't do that.
All right, so what did you get on your last run?
8.9.
A stock Camaro SS tuned by Calvo. 6-speed, 8.9. I slightly beat a stock Camaro SS. 7.2, new record, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Is that the personal best record?
Yeah.
Ah! And now I'm like, oh shit, oh shit. So now they're prepping up the track. They're probably gonna send the real fast cars. Bryce should stop messing and bullying the non-fast people and should race those people. Right here. Get deep, bro. He doesn't want to run it, bro. Quick switch. I'm gonna race the Cayman GT4. We've been doing similar times, similar speeds. Let's get it! I think that was a pretty good run. Let's see what we got. Thank you, sir. GG, bro. GG.
Yeah.
Like we're going down. We're still going down.
So wheel hop is usually when you're not, that's when you're
trying to fight for that perfect amount of traction.
Yeah, I was wheel hopping at the beginning. Michael, what do you think I should do to combat that?
Tour mode, bro. Like, so it squats.
I am on tour mode. The launches will f me up, but then afterwards it hooked on perfectly and the shifts were on point.
If you got that launch from last time with this run, mid-sevens,
yeah.
probably. Skill issue. Skill issue.
We're gonna take it easy, watch some cars, chillax. Fun fact, guys, Bryce actually had a 135i.
Yeah, not that fun.
So Albert literally has the single fastest time ever at this track by a car. No!
Come on, man. Always the VQ, guys. It's always the VQ. Always.
Yeah,
Really bad.
Vamos la eléctrica, fíjate eso. Claro que se lo va a comer.
100 miles per hour. 7.7. Damn, bro, that's not that fast. We're the Ford people. We're the Ford people.
Right here, bitch. 60 roll right now.
60, no.
Yo, Gabe, did you leave your X5?
Oh shit. It's not an X4 though, so.
No. That was a wolf. I gotta bring a hat.
You heard that? You heard that?
Just take one try.
Dude, natural. Natural bastard. Mikey? Be loud and proud. So this is his Mustang S550 manual. So he wanted to do a little challenge. So I'm actually happy to finally race a subscriber. This is gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good one. So right now he's making sure that the mods that I say I have are the mods that are in.
What mods do you have on?
I'm running a Boss manifold with a PMAS fender well intake. The fog light deleted so that we could get the ram air in there. Headers, E85, that's about it. Pretty simple for now. There's the lightweight brakes and the 15s with a little tire in the back.
When did you get a point, bro? Cut that out. Yo, the crypto going crazy. What's up, bro? Yo, put me on the course, bro.
Oh, look, so this is how it is driving a Camaro?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Luckily, we're actually moving pretty fast. We haven't had any sort of, actually, I don't want to say it. Knock on plastic, metal.
Wow, that is buttery smooth, dude.
I just sold him the car. Just buy it for me, bro. 40K. Barely used. Is that the stock shifter?
No, it's not.
Very spongy. Oh, that's good. That's good though. I miss my MGW shifter on my SS, man. So by the way, this is a little shout out to Diego Media. We miss you, bud. Michael stepped in your place. You guys are the best. Thank you. Seriously. All right, let's make on now. Buonasera. 6'1", baby! Guessed it right on the money, bro. 118 miles per hour. Just found the most unique build I've seen so far today. That I'm like, what? It's a V8. LS swapped. IS 250. That's not all. Racing seats. Manual transmission. That's not your mama or your sister's lease, bro. I would never know. Forget the Amish. A literal spider web forming right here. That's how long we've been waiting for our race. How's it going? Let's go, Gate. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. All right, right, guys, so there you have it. That was the very disappointing race for me, but very good race for him. Mikey beat me in my 5th-gen ZL1. He was spinning, I was spinning towards the first part. Stay tuned for when we do some roll races, because that's something I really want to do. That's going to come very soon. Mikey, again, thank you so much for
great to see
racing.
you, bro.
Likewise, man. We'll be in touch. Yeah?
You can't be giving up the left lane, man. Every time you're racing someone, you'll get the prep lane.
I know, I know.
Nice guys never win.
Damn
What
it,
you were saying earlier, man.
You're here to win. You're not here to be the nice guy. Isn't that charity? Bro, I literally became what I hated.
Cerebral type.
Still Camaro, bro. Still Camaro. I mean, he's gonna drop it for sure, right? Look at the full house, guys. Tell him to do a wave. You think they'll do it if I ask them to do a wave?
Probably not.
Yeah. I don't make enough money to embarrass myself like that. Guys, this was a fantastic day, honestly. It was super fun seeing all these cool cars, racing the ZL1. You guys know that even though I'm not getting the best times on this car, I fucking love driving it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. Guys, if you enjoy my content and you want to see more of the ZL1 and any other cool cars featured on the channel, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future Fastlane Friday videos or any other videos like this. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.